There's this weird kid out there, and I don't know his problem, but he's trying to shoot, like, baskets, and he attempts to, and he's, like, so weird. He gets mad over nothing. I don't know his problem, but he's really weird. It's really funny. I'm going to get a better view, and I'm sneaking up on him, too, so it's going to be a little shaky. Hold on. He doesn't know I'm even here. He made it. He made one, I guess the first.